Yeah. Oke.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me
Let me
introduce
introduce
myself.
myself.
My
My
name
name
is
is Inas
Diki.
Siddiqui. You can call
Call
me
me
Danny.
Danny.
And
My
my
last
last ID
ID number
number
is
is
045.
045. Okay, I will explain about this systematic review.
Systematic review.
The
The
title
title
is
is
Mobile
Mobile
Assisted Language
Language
Learning for
Learning
a Changing Speaking Skill among ESL
ESL
and
and
EFL
EFL
learners.
learners. Using
Okay, we need to identify
the
an
problem
under research yet
research
impactful area.
regard
Is proposed research
research
question
question
developed using the PICOS
because
framework. Research
research
question:
question
what is
what is
effectiveness
effectiveness
gamified, authentic,
authentic
communicative touch, engaging fluently, and pragmatic competence among intermediate and advanced ESL and EFL learners in format and informal learning context compared to traditional task-based language teaching approach. Let's break down using the PICOS framework. P. Population. E. Intervention. C. Comparison. O. Outcomes. S. Study design. Let's check it out one by one what the PICOS. P. Population. Intermediate in advanced ESL and EFL learners. This bases the learner's proficiency levels, which is often crucial determining factor in language learning intervention and distinguish. It forms board SLRs that might include beginners. And the next is intervention. Intervention is gamified communicative task. Oh, the example in this novel element gamified implies the integration of game design element and principle into non-game context, which in the growing area interest. Authentic communicative tasks emphasize real-world communication, moving beyond our barriers. This combines to significant pedagogical approach. C. Comparison. Traditional task-based language teaching approach. Or this provide clear baseline for comparison, allowing for an evaluation of the added value of the proposed intervention. O. Outcomes. Fluently and pragmatic competence. It is just speaking skill focusing on specific measurable aspect like only like example speech rate, pose length, and pragmatic competence. Another example is appropriate language use the social context speech act provides a more precise and impactful outcomes measure, but the highlight is crucial in the profile article as study design. This typically refers to the types studies to be include the SLR. Example, experimental, quasi, and experimental. Why not explicitly state on research question itself? For the SLR, we will primarily seek empirical studies such as randomized control trials, quasi experimental design, and potentially mixed method studies that include quantitative data on the fluency and pragmatic competence. The inclusion of the both formal and informal learner context, like the example classroom online self-access centers language and science programs. And another layers of uniqueness and practical relevance. And many interventions are often studied in only the type of setting. Okay, next is we um, yeah, let's take it off. This first is novelty. But novelty of this title is the combination of gamified with authentic communicative tasks and specific focus on fluently and pragmatic competence at intermediate and advanced level in the diverse learning context makes in the research question distinct from the existing SLR gamification and rapidly evolving political trend and its specific impact on this nuanced aspect of speaking skills, particularly with authentic tasks, is less explored in the systematic mirror. The next is you want to explain about urgency. The urgency about this title is as a demand for practical and in changing language learning method grows. Understanding the efficiency of the fight approach in for fostering real-world communicative abilities is highly urgent for the educators, curriculum designers, and learners. The profile article itself highlights the importance of fostering influence and pragmatically competent communication. And the last is attractiveness. Attractiveness is this question appeals to the broad audience, including language teachers, education technology developers, research in applied linguistics, and policymakers. It addresses contemporary pedagogical interest, gamification, authentic tasks, and the tackles course components of communicative competence that are often challenging to teach and assess. The potential or over considered evidence-based recommendation for integrating this approach would be likely valuable. And the last is conclusion. The conclusion is by focusing gamified, authentic communicative tasks and their impact on fully pragmatic competence for intermediate and advanced ESL and EFL learners. You found a truly unique and important area for the systematic review. It's novel because it's a combination you're taking strengths with specific, often trickly language scale. It's urgent because educators and effective and changing ways teach real world communication. And it's attractive because it appeals to most anyone involved in learning. From teachers to teach developers, this review has potential to offer really valuable insight. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you very much. See you. next time.